I'm not yet ready to come and deliver a speech, but my hand is melting down on seeing this new ambulance for the welfare of the village. So I just want to say a few words of our gratitudes to the NIPCO, the SOP and his team. First of all, our respected SOP and his team. Actually, our Sarajay name has been familiar with the villagers. As for me, I have heard his name some years back. And I would like to thank even our VCP and his team. They are so energetic and so young, and they fight a lot for the villagers. And they have finally this new ambulance for the welfare of the people. And I hope and I trust that the villagers will make use of this vehicle for the improvement of their health. And also, I would like to thank the NIPCO, the SOP, and all his teams, even in Shillong, the headquarters. When I see these surroundings or this region, the development, what they have brought, how they have impacted development directly and indirectly. Even the economy, they have heightened up the level of the economy, and even in terms of education, and even in development like road transportation, and even in medical, they have brought a lot of development for the people. So we really thank and appreciate that how they have taken the steps. So they are really standing for, apart from the electricity, apart from their project, let me say, apart from building up this power, electric power, they have brought manifold to bring development in this region. So the villagers are really happy, and on seeing this vehicle, this new ambulance, I was nearly trembling down with happiness, because what the VCP just 3 days back has told me about that the NIPCO is going to give us a new ambulance. So it's not such like a volleyball or some materials. It's a big investment, or we can say it's a big gift from your side, and involving a big amount like 14.5 lakhs. This is a very big achievement even for the villagers, even for the VCP. This is a big achievement, so we are really thankful. So on behalf of all the villagers of this village, Saiphai village, I would like to give and express my gratitude from the bottom of my heart to our VCP and to the SOP and all his teams. Then I wish them to get more successful and more health in their future, and not to forget the needs of this village. And whenever we come to knock the door for helping in your office, always please open your arms to our villagers in every possible ways, wherever you can help. That is my prayer and my wish. And finally, not only the new ambulance, so we also remember and we will never forget how the NIPCO has brought development and how it has impacted in the positive way of this area, this region. If the NIPCO had not come and had not started building up this project in our area, in our region, I just think without your presence, the transportation condition will be poorer than this, and the medical issue and many development might not be visible today. So all these development, what we can see, it is because of your, let me say, your project. So thank you very much, tharlawmna.